To get more blooms on Anthurium, you have to optimize light, feeding, humidity, and pruning because they only flower well when they feel like they are in a tropical environment. Most people think Anthuriums are difficult to bloom again after the first set of flowers, but that's not true. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the science-based formula to get more flowers, bigger blooms, and continuous flowering in Anthuriums using simple care tweaks anyone can do at home. Stay with me till the end because one small mistake can stop your plant from blooming for months. Light, biggest factor. Anthuriums are native to tropical forests where sunlight filters through trees, so they evolved to bloom best in bright, indirect light. Think of it like this: low light equal to leaves only, bright indirect light equals to flowers plus growth. Place your Anthurium near an east or north facing window. If your plant lives in a dark corner, it will survive, but it won't reward you with flowers. Light is the trigger for blooming. Without enough light, fertilizers or humidity simply cannot force it. Soil and watering. Next, let's talk about the root environment. Anthuriums are not your regular soil plant. They are epiphytes in nature, which means they grow on trees, not in dense soil. So a standard garden soil can suffocate roots. Use a mix like cocoa peat or peat moss, orchid bark, perlite, a handful of charcoal. This mix keeps roots oxygenated, prevents rot, and allows healthy root growth. And healthy roots equal to more blooms. Watering rule. Water only when the top 25 to 30% of the topsoil feels dry. Wet soil causes fungal stress, and stressed plants don't bloom. Fertilizer for flowers. Most people feed Anthuriums with random plant food, but flowering requires the right ratio. Use a fertilizer slightly higher in phosphorus, something like 10-30-20 or 15-30-15. Phosphorus signals the plant to switch from leaf mode to flowering mode. Feed every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. If you prefer organic options, these also work over time. Banana peel compost, seaweed extract, fish fertilizer. Temperature and humidity. Anthuriums are tropical, so they love warmth. Keep them between 20 to 28. Cold temperatures below 15 slow metabolism and stop blooming. Humidity doesn't have to be extremely high, but it should not be very low. If humidity is too low, leaves may develop brown edges and flowers may become smaller. But the plant can still bloom if other conditions are correct. So aim for a comfortable environment, the same range where you feel comfortable. Maintenance and pruning. To keep blooms coming, remove old fading flowers from the base. This tells the plant, I am done with this flower, time to make a new one. And every 2 weeks, gently wipe leaves with a damp cloth. Clean leaves absorb more light, and more light means more energy for flowering. So remember the formula: bright indirect light, airy soil, controlled watering, bloom booster fertilizer, warm environment, remove old blooms. If you follow this, your Anthurium will bloom beautifully, not just once but throughout the year. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.